morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all safe and healthy wherever you are. Recently I asked you on my Instagram poll what type of videos do you want me to make in the nearest future, and vast majority of answers were quarantine vlogs, cooking, and also beauty tips that I have. Lots of you asked about my makeup, which was quite surprising to me because I'm not a makeup specialist, makeup artist, and I just do what I think is like basic and serves me. And I changed my makeup a lot. This is something that I've been doing for the last couple of months after I quit my job, because when I was a flight attendant in Middle East, I had totally different makeup and different look. My hair were really dark, and so my makeup was adjusted to also Middle Eastern trend, but also flight attendant requirements and different hair colors. So now it changed, it's so much lighter, more peachy, more glowy. I think it makes me look younger and better in so many ways. So I'm glad you all noticed and you like that, and the tutorial on this is coming soon. In the meantime, I want to show you something different. I purchased nail gel kit on Amazon, because I've been doing gel nails for many years, and now obviously it's impossible to go to salon or do any beauty treatment. So I purchased that, and I will be doing it from home by myself from now on. And this is my first attempt. This is how it went. I think maybe it's not perfect, but it really is good. I'm really glad with the results for a first attempt of someone who did it first time ever with professional lamp and products. So yeah, I will show you how I do it in the meantime. But before we go there, I just want to encourage all of you to do something for yourself, to spend time to pamper yourself, some me time every day. Just because we are locked at homes doesn't mean that we have to let ourselves go. I exercise every day, I try to look decent every day. I do not wear makeup every day because that was never my thing, but you know, just to make yourself put together, have your hair brushed through or put up or something nice, getting dressed, although it's like a loungewear, not maybe something fancy, but make tiny bit of effort. Don't spend all days in pajamas, in robes. It's not good for our mental health. It's not good how we feel about ourselves. It just leads to letting ourselves go step by step, little by little, and in the long run we'll see the effect that will bring our spirits down, our mood down. It's not good. So I encourage you to do something for yourself, and we will push through this difficult time. Let's try to do it together. Let's encourage ourselves. Lots of things has been cancelled, but being a woman hasn't been cancelled. Okay, so let's all try, do our best, and we will get out of this difficult time better and stronger. So here is the whole kit. I came to film it downstairs in my kitchen because it's quite gloomy, but as you all know, the weather in UK is quite unpredictable. So yeah, I displayed it all in advance, so it's easier rather than pulling it out of the box, but it all came beautifully packaged. Everything was packaged separately. All those things, this is the package for that, and all those little items come in this package. So the whole kit, I ordered that from Amazon, and it was £39, which I think is good. I mean, initially maybe it's some kind of expense, but what you're gonna save on your manicure on every month, it's quite significant. Significant, yeah. Yeah, good, I have a native speaker next to me to correct my English. So let's get started. What's in the kit? It comes with LED lamp, which is pink inside. You don't see that when you do your nails, but that's like an added cute thing. So you can have like 30 seconds and 60 seconds. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm so excited to try that. Of course, it comes with the charger. By the way, this is how my nails look right now. I've done them like 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago in Poland, during my live in Poland, and they still hold up pretty well. Like, actually, I would say they hold up very well. But I mean, I hope I can achieve the same result. So it comes with the charger. Obviously, it comes with a top coat, and a base. All the gel polish colors are in here, which you can see. It's very beautiful range of colors. You can You can choose different kits. There are so many choices there on Amazon, but I did choose the one which was the most neutral, because this is how I like my nails. I like them neutral. This is how I've been doing them for the past 4 years when I was a flight attendant, because that was a job requirement to have this kind of color, nothing else. So yeah, I still got used to that, and I try to stick to this because I think that makes my hand look the best and is very flattering on my skin color. And all these miscellaneous little things and gadgets come in this little pouch, which is lockable and like a Ziploc bag. So you can keep all your stuff nice and organized. It comes with cuticle revitalizer oil from OPI, which is a very good brand. Does it focus? Will it focus finally? Okay, it does. So yeah, it comes with aloe oil for your cuticles. It comes with some zircony stones, gems, whatever that is. I know some girls like some crystal on their nails. I will keep it. I doubt I will ever use it. Maybe I will use it on my mom one day or someone else if there is a chance. This is not really my thing. I like very simple nails, so I'll keep that aside. It also comes with French nail stickers to help you do a French manicure with a toe separation and all those the cuticle remover, and this is to help your gel polish like when you are doing a soak off, to help to remove the old one. Those I believe are for like different patterns on your nails, but I am going to skip that too. The cleaning brush, a little cleaning device as well, but look how cute. Look at that. Yeah, I think that's also for cuticles. 2 nail files to file your nails and also to remove the old gel polish. And it also came with this, which I did not expect, because I was going to soak off my previous nail polish with acetone, but it comes with like little pouches that you open, you tear it open, and then it has a little foil here, so you stick your finger in here like the etiquette shows, and then you wrap it around it, so it keeps around it and it soaks off all the gel manicure, and then you just can remove it and use this spatula to remove that. So yeah, I'm quite excited to use this kit, and I will show you the process as well as results. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you how I do my manicure with this kit that I ordered on Amazon. This is first time for me to do my manicure in years. As an Etihad cabin crew, I was doing this professionally done in salon for many years. I was paying, let me see the conversion, it was 260 dirhams, but in pounds it's like, what is it in pounds? 57 pounds nearly. This is ridiculous. I was paying 57 pounds every 3 weeks. This I did like 3 weeks ago, and it still looks pretty good, but definitely the gap is here. I always use like neutral colors so it doesn't make it so harsh. So without further ado, let's get started. Here on the side I have all my accessories that I just moved here because there is no need to keep it in the frame. The most interesting part about this kit so far for me are those soak off patches, as I presented before. Let's see how it looks like. I never tried this. Oh yeah, it already comes off. Okay, so I removed this patch. It's supposed to be sticky, and we will do one hand at a time. It already has, you see, a soaked in with acetone, a little piece of fabric soaked in acetone inside. Okay, we place the nail on it and we close it like that. Okay, let's see what it will do. I obviously clearly forgot to do this part, which is to break down the surface. That's what they do in the salon. You can tell I'm not a professional person. But I remembered just on time. So we will what a word. We will scratch off this surface to allow the solution in here to penetrate the surface of the gel, which will help to remove the gel off the nails. So this is how it looks like when I filed off the top with the harsh one. This is 100, 180 file. Oh, sorry, I'm still not used to this new camera. 100, 180 file, and this is the scratch of the surface. And now we can start placing the solution. Okay. So this is how the hand looks like. I'm going to do one hand at the time, and I'm going to soak off this for like 10 to 15 minutes. It didn't go as planned because I couldn't wrap it around like the way it's supposed to be, and I screamed for my husband to come to the rescue, and he literally taped it around, as you can see, so it stays. I don't know, I'm doing something wrong probably, but as I said, it's my first time. So while this is soaking off, in the meantime, I'm just want to show you these colors. I just opened all of them, and all of them look better, like real look. If you open them, then they look in here. The colors are so much more pretty, and I hope that they will come true to that on the nail. Very beautiful. I'm super happy with that selections of colors. Really happy. There's one glittery, like super fancy one if you want to have like some a party type, but all these are neutral. This is white actually, it looks gray in here, but this is white. All of these are neutral, beautiful colors, so I can't wait to test all of them. So I already tested a couple of nails. They are not ready yet, but on the other it comes off pretty well. Okay, it's been over 20 minutes now, so let's check if hopefully that comes off. Oh yeah, that's better this time. So this is my left hand without all the gel. I just removed it all. It looks like so. Okay, let's get started. I will start with a base gel. It came with the kit as well, and this is how it looks like. Let's see. So I will put a thin coat, and I will do 2 fingers at a time, and then I will bake it for 1 minute. Okay, now let's choose the color. As I said, they look different than in the bottles. This one looks like gray, but in reality it's like beautiful beige. It's like the one that I currently have. And yeah, all of them are so good. I also consider this one. This is something that I had like right after my wedding, which is like beautiful, like ballerina pink with a slight shimmer. This one is like really more shimmery if you are into glitter, very glitzy. And this is normal white. It looks gray here, but it's white. This is like a deeper beige color. No, it's not beige. It's a peachy mauve, I would say. And this one is hot pink, but like type of flamingo pink, like my coat. I think I will just stay on a safe side. As usually I do my manicure with this color, and I will try this one. I will have a thin coat. I prefer to do a couple of thin coats rather than one thick. Okay, so far so good. And as I said before, 2 nails at a time. and bake it for 1 minute. And time for a second coat. So far it looks good, however lighter than I expected. I wanted some more like skin color, but that's okay too, light beige. So those are now 3 coats of polish, and I will go over, oopsie, no, I didn't close it. Okay, I was too distracted with answering to your questions on my Instagram. And I will go over with a top coat. And now it's all done, and I'm going to go over with this OPI Cuticle Revitalizer Oil, aloe oil, because they look a little bit dry, so that will help them to look brand new. I'm quite happy with the result, honestly. I didn't expect that I will do so well. Oh yeah, I am like a nail technician now. Okay, don't come after me in the comments telling me I'm not, because I know I'm not, but I've done so well, yeah. So this is the final result. I'm already filming with a different camera to show you a better close-up, because I have a big boy here and my setup is here, but I want to show you how it looks like really close. I'm quite happy with the result. I think it's totally worth the money. It saves you time going to the salon, and the result is really cool. I cannot wait to use other colors, and the most important part, it saves you tons of money. So it's better to invest in the kit like that and do it in the comfort of your home whenever you please. I'm quite happy with the result, and I'm so excited about these colors. Let me know what you think, and I will come back at you with more beauty treatments very soon.